Hey guys, today we got this sump from a mate of mine. He's building a single seat race car with a bike engine in the back. This is how much he's had to chop out to get it to fit in the car. So now, as he's not got an AC machine, he's brought it down to me. He's made this plate and then we're just going to weld it on there. So we're going to use an Artec 170. What I like about it is it's got a memory function. So because it's digital, you can just select, save your settings here and just select up to 9. So that's nice because I always forget all my settings. I've been welding about a year now, so still definitely a beginner, but I just bought the machine and watching YouTube videos I just taught myself. So we're going to spend a lot of time, especially because it's been soaked in oil, it's cast. We're going to spend a lot of time cleaning it and make sure that we can stop as much oil coming out during welding as we can, really. So yeah, let's go.
Perfect, perfect. Perfect, perfect.
it's finished, and all I can say is what a bastard. So it's come out alright, not too bad. I'm happy with that. So, but you just, with it being an oil sump and cast, you're just happily running along, doing a nice speed, and then boom, you fucking hit a bit of oil and it turns to shit. So yeah, finished now. So any comments, tips on how to weld cast, leave them. I'm always about learning. See you next time.